Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Tuesday, October 14th, and we have just had a string of financial earnings come in, and almost all of them have been very positive. So we just heard from Citibank, and their revenue beat in every division. But their expenses also climbed a little bit, but they had a fabulous quarter. JP Morgan and Goldman, they both beat and recorded some great profits for, in fact, in Goldman's case, deal making was the best sector, best department in, I think, 4 years is what they're saying from a revenue perspective. Wells Fargo boosts their key profitability metrics as well. So good news out of financial services, but really not unexpected, because with the state where we are in the economy, with net interest income growing, U.S. interest rates dropping in the quarter, but not really affecting their net interest income. Deal making at near all-time highs for recent levels, at least in this decade. And then they're trading with the volatility doing really well. It was definitely looking like we were going to have a great quarter for the big banks, the investment banks. Now, that comes at a day when in the news, China escalates its U.S. trade fight. So if we take a look at the markets aren't reflective of a fabulous release of financial earnings. The markets in the futures right now are all down across the board. The NASDAQ and the Dow down the most in terms of numbers, and the NASDAQ down the most in terms of percent. But the S&P is also off, and that is preventing the financial stocks that released this morning from really jumping. And in Goldman's case, it actually has caused it to dip. Now, if you bought Goldman ahead of earnings thinking it would jump, just hang on to them. This is temporary. It will turn around and go back up. These earnings are not a once in a lifetime thing. It's a quarter upon quarter kind of growth. They're going to continue to have strong growth. They're going to be a fabulous company come quarter earnings in January when those results come out. So just stick with it. The financials are off a little, but that is, I think, because the S&P 500 is down going into the day. And that could turn around at any point as well during the day. Good luck in your trades today. If you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.